It's possible to edit some reports, like here the machine activity report for the overall equipment effectiveness, and this is possible through this kind of report done with report services from Microsoft, where you can customize the report and it's fully integrated into PCView with the possibility to filter if you want the machine activity, the machine detailed, with all the status for the machine and all time for the machine. If you want the site analysis or only some lines, you can have here all the information for a specific line and for several periods. It's also possible to integrate reports done with third-party software, Dream Report, such as this kind of report with KPI for production here. So this is a web report, but it's also possible to get PDF reports and several kind of reports like this one. Here, as you can see here, there's also the possibility in those reports to select parameters directly from the report, and as I said, you can also get the PDF format file for a specific report.